Okay, it's recording right now. Okay. Okay. David Blaine.
You went behind. You look like an idiot. I can't see the birds on this anymore. Where are you? Oh. Okay, come back.
What?
Come back. I like Oreos. Huh? Okay, here you go. Oh,
Magic shit.
Wait, do the face.
What the F? What did everybody say? He's
Stop putting shit on our
he's
bodies,
like, wop,
David Blaine.
wop.
What? Watch. He goes, watch.
And no, what is it though? He goes like, that's whopping.
What? David Blaine or the other guy?
No, the other guys.
Oh,
He goes, what the F? I'm not gonna sign the.
I'm not gonna sign the release.
I'm not gonna sign the release. Oh.
He also goes,
He goes,
you're
what?
a demon. You're a demon.
I could
Okay.
see that. Bye.